Hey everyone, welcome back to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender in this kitchen slash studio with production behind the camera and the twins upstairs just making a lot of noise. Please stay here with me because we're gonna be making this amazing cocktail. It's gonna be the Cupreata Mezcalita Spicy this time. Please stay here with me and let me show you how to pour this one. Perfect. So, Cupreata. Cupreata is one of the varietals that actually grows in the slopes of the state of Guerrero, Mexico. This guy is actually a beautiful and perfect introduction mezcal for any mezcal beginner. Why? The low smokiness into it and its floral and herbal and citrusy notes on the palate, they're gonna make it perfect introduction for anybody that haven't tasted mezcal. Obviously, with the time, you're going to be developing your palate, but this is not the traditional espadín. This is Cupreata, and like I said, it just makes amazing, amazing cocktails with it. So please, what you're going to be doing, you're going to be doing your homework, and that's going to be your cucumber water. English cucumber, wash it very well, chop it off, add 1 cup of water to 1.5 cups of water per each cucumber. Make sure you chop it up very well and then just put them in a blender and just blend it everything. Then what you're gonna be doing is fine strain this guy, and even if you have one of those plastic spatulas, just like press it down and just separate all the pulp, because if you put it with the pulp at the time that you make your cocktail, the pulp is gonna float all the way up to the top of the cocktail and it's gonna ruin it. So you want the water just to be perfectly clean. Once you have this, it's gonna be super easy. 2 ounces of Cupreata Mezcal. Perfect. On your water, cucumber water, you're going to use 1 full ounce by 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, and agave nectar. You're gonna go for 1/2 ounce. Let's put some ice. Now, if you wanna make it with a little extra kick, grab a couple Serranos. And now, let's give it a shake. Amara escuela. All right. Get your tall glass, put a nice heavy coat of tajin, mixed with a little bit of salt. Let's make a double strain. Why? Because you want to catch all the seeds of the Serrano. You don't want to chop with one of those seeds. And don't forget to make a little bit of a cucumber strip and cover it up in tajin or salt for your decoration. Straw. And there you have it, you guys. The Cupreata Mezcalita to the world. Cheers, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and never, never drink and drive. See you next time.